Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find a Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, first and foremost, viewers and subscribers, man, first big up Vybz Kartel for taking the initiative and his platform for standing up for justice, not just locally but also internationally, viewers and subscribers. Some of the time I'm not just about going out there and I talk about a thing. Big up all who take to the streets and I do what them I do. But sometimes it's just about using your platform to highlight the good being done by the people who are do good and point out the negativity being contributed by certain negative factors in a society. And remember, the album is still available for pre-order. You can get it on iTunes, get it on Amazon. You check the platforms where you can purchase music digitally. The album is available there. Off, Dance and Divas, and it will be available for purchase and released on the 26th of this month. Dancehall, get ready. Now, viewers and subscribers, Dreamweekend, a dancehall festival iconically celebrated by fans and made iconic by Vybz Kartel, and one of his iconic summer songs, ironically titled Summertime. Now, this event, viewers and subscribers, sees approximately over, we're not going to say approximately, but it's over 25,000 patrons annually in attendance every time this event or festival is held. Yeah, every time them keep it on the grill, this is the attendance. And them say this generate billions of dollars in revenues, not just for the people who keep it, but also the country as well. Now, the official statement is that organizers find it difficult to announce the decision. After numerous meetings and continuous dialogue with the various ministries of government that govern entertainment locally, we have been advised that due to the situation worldwide and also locally, there will be no permits permitted for big summer festival events like this. There will only be, as them say, bars and places like that are open, so probably small scale events, if anything like that, will be permitted. We're gonna step up and put out songs and music for the fans while them can't go out there. Vybz Kartel and a few other artists must continue to put out new music, fresh sounds for the people in ears, who will bring you awards so that you can be proud of your favorite genre of music. Vybz Kartel name alone, hear them a mention. We not hear them a mention nobody else name, viewers and subscribers. Now this event will be missed, but word on the street is still that patrons are not really that comfortable at this point in time for go to go party with thousands of other people. You know what I mean? It's just the vibe on the streets right now. People rather go to small scale events where them probably know majority of the people there. People just feel comfortable being around familiar faces. People them sip on a, you know what I mean? Whether it's a daily basis or, you know, from time to time, are just family members, people them comfortable with. Nobody really want to go pack up with a venue full of strangers at this point in time. You know what I mean? So that is basically the vibe on the streets. And the ministries that say no, there will be no permits for any large scale event like that. You know what I mean? They must say no, not right now. So for 2021, for 2020, Dreamweekend has been cancelled. But you know it go. You know what I mean? 2021, by God's blessing, life spirit, we can look forward, hopefully, to see all of these big events being held again, bigger and better. You know what I mean? Hope dancehall artists step up, and you know, after we bring the Grammy home for dancehall genre, hopefully we can get the dancehall genre acknowledged at the Grammys, where all other genres of music are acknowledged. You know what I mean? And our dancehall events can be now celebrated more, and we can see more dancehall festivals and major dancehall events being held right across the world, not just reggae. You know what I mean? Not just hip hop, not just R&B, not just house and dance and dubstep and them things. We want dancehall to be the main showcase. We don't want it just be the added spice to our one. Cause that's what them do right now with dancehall music. They use dancehall music for flavor up what take place. When them book artists like Spice and then book some other hip hop stars and put Spice to perform first, them know say Spice will get the crowd active to a certain vibe. Everybody dance and ray and all that energy, and then them can bring out for them artists. And even the performance was not that good. When people look back on the entire showcase, they may say, no, I did enjoy myself. But we want dancehall to now be the showcase. We want some hip hop artists open for some dancehall artists. That's what we want today. So that them can warm the crowd, get the crowd on a vibe, and then dancehall music can be the main course. That can make people forward out for. People actually can pack the venue knowing say, you know, dancehall music and there are other artists from other genres on the lineup, but the main act is a dancehall act. We are looking forward to see them type of showcase. You know what I mean? We are looking forward to see dancehall put back on that major platform. Billions of dollars in revenue will be lost for the entertainment sector. We couldn't foresee that when the year just started, but after what took place, we could have realized, say, yo, entertainment wouldn't be one of those sectors that would have bounced back right away. So, at this point in time, how is the sector really generating any revenue? Well, as the Vybz Kartel would say, where is a will, there's a way. You know what I mean? Even though he was not the creator that's saying. But, recorded tracks still generate revenue, and it still bring work to engineers and producers. The music videos can still be filmed, so the video vixens, the people and the people who did the video production, work is still being brought their way. And we still have some more video productions to put out soon and very soon. Look out for them. We have videos, we have singles, and we have an album. We're there for dancehall music. Gaza Nation there for dancehall music. While some other artists like for swoop in, run in and say, yeah man, see the dancehall when dancehall hot. When dancehall are settings where, you know, in a situation like this, worldwide crisis, where are those artists? Them they know where. Them not put out no good music, them not put out no good video, nothing. Vybz Kartel alone has step up to the plate. We see even artists with the international, we're residing overseas. I will not see them make the moves. We not see them make no moves. For link up with no artists overseas and put out no big tracks. Even where we do what take place overseas right now. Whatever see them step up and I say, alright, them will put out a song to same way. Nothing. I mean, nothing at all. Whether times are good or times are, you know what I mean? Them still not put out no music. Joke them to the craft. And then now, one week to take some statistics report to them have to tell we say them around the game. If them would have run dancehall music, that means the dancehall music would have become stagnant. It would not go away. It would not go away. You can't have artists who put out music once every 6 months and then run the game. Say if the game is being controlled by an artist who put out song every 6 months, then what that's say for the genre overall? What that's say for the genre? Think about what I say before I say it. Think about what I say before I say it. Just like when you say, oh, teacher drop too much song, and then when you not get enough song, when I say, boy, dance, I'll get shaky. Think about what I say before I say it. Because you know, say, most of us talk about ignorance. Well, a vibe. And as I say, you know, say that, and a that, and a this. No. We know, say, no thought, not really go into the statements that most of them make. So, more we just listen to them, knowing say tomorrow, we might change the reason again. So, we say, alright, them say that today. We make them go, Lord, them make them have them opinion. You're entitled to your opinion. And we know, say, God's willing, day break, your opinion is going to change again. Majority of naysayers are ex-Vybz Kartel fans. Meaning, say, at one point in time, a straight teacher music not listen to. A majority of these naysayers and these anti-Vybz Kartel fans are actually other artists. And not patrons in the music, in attendance at dance. And not fans of dancehall. Other musicians. Majority of people who don't like Vybz Kartel music are other musicians. and people who surround them. Think about it. Definitely food for thought. Bye to the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent and the Gaza representative. I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. Put it on all. This is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Right this up on the platform. The like icon there too. Drop a like on the blog for my like way here. Share icon is in close proximity, so drop a share on the blog. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7, it never lack, yet just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there and we can continue the reasoning from right there. So you know the settings, and for those who don't, you man move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.